Hi there, this is Rajat Khatri once again, and I know that you are looking for a mood boost because you are feeling low while working from home, doing a lot of work, still at home, and trying to manage your personal life, your professional life, and you are just looking for some simple solutions that can boost your mood, that can make you happier, that can make you positive, that can make you motivated and feel much better. So in this video series, I'm going to talk about such tips and tricks which are proven by science, data, and research to have done wonders across millions of people like you and me who have been working from home and still feeling low. But once they implemented these hacks in their life, they suddenly feel much better and they are more productive and creative at work. So in today's video, the hack that I'm going to share is to create a happiness jar or a smile jar, which means it's a dedicated either a folder in your laptop or it's a typical box that you keep at your workstation, and you start putting all the positive feedbacks, appreciations, compliments that you have received from your coworkers or your family members, or any such achievement that you have fulfilled in the last few days. So you write about it and put it in the jar. So the days you will feel low or you're feeling dejected or demotivated, just open that box, pick up the slip and read it out. Once you will read that positive message or the positive feedback or appreciation uh, or any compliment that was there in that box, you will suddenly feel better. You will suddenly feel a boost in your mood, and you will become happier, satisfied, motivated by going through that incident that has happened actually a few days ago, which you might would have forgotten, but now since you are remembering it and reiterating it, you will feel much better and happier about it. Please subscribe to my channel or follow me for such tips and tricks that are proven by data and research, and that seems to have done wonders for people who are feeling low while working from home. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.